should ground be facing down or should ground be facing up? Now, if we had ground facing up, that could create a safer scenario, but honestly, that would only be valid when we have a 3-prong plug where we have our ground conductor providing equipment ground to whatever we're plugging into. In that instance, the piece of metal would come down and then it would hit the ground first and not make contact between the hot and neutral prongs. But in the scenario as demonstrated with 2-prong plugs, which I would argue are becoming more and more common and popular because all the devices we're charging are 2-prong plugs, the scenario is the same. The safety issue is the same whether ground facing down like this or ground facing up. So although this is the most common feedback of why you would want ground facing up, that's only going to be relevant for 3-prong plugs, not 2-prong plugs. The latest poll with almost 3,000 votes is just this. What do you prefer? So out of 3,000 people, where almost 9 out of 10 people say that they do ground down. Now, if you want additional information, this goes on these videos as well. There is a ton of good feedback and just different viewpoints, and you kind of take this all in and you usually can make a very informed decision on your own projects. Now, if you want to get a lot of feedback to your own comment, usually you can do something like, I saw one earlier where somebody just said, ground up is code. If you say that, you're probably going to get a ton of different comments from the community.